Napo finally replied critics over the viral comment he made on the air, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. We are here to develop the story. The story, Nankasemuno, it keeps going. Day 1, day 2, hours upon hours. A man for chumuti. Hey, any and someone appro every air Napo comment. Yeah, anyone 1965, we've gotten access to some documents that we are here to share with you, some graphics, some audios, documentary. Yeah, Baba share because I'm not positive about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. They be almost negative no. So Lawyɛr Anokye Frimpong hospital bus to the sense I'm for team say, hey, once I'm now can okay tia Manhyia abroso just because of Napuntino. Lawyɛr Anokye Frimpong when he say Manhyia deserve to get a punch in his current viral audio. Now we are going to develop our story from three main, factors. The three main factors, two of them are from 3 News and CNN. Now, according to 3 News, Napo say, or no dear, Ghana politics, Ghana politics, no kind of crime, man was ungrateful. Man for my fans. In our politics, if you speak the truth, they say you are ungrateful. But if you lie, you are praised. So that is according to 3 News, what Napo is currently saying after the viral speech, on Lawyɛr Nkrumah. And according to CNN also, Napo said, I am not disrespectful, Tom. I only speak the truth. Well, no, yes, they will cry, and they be aware they oka. That's according to Napo. Developing stories are ever. And the third story, as we say, Napo saying some no kind, then some no be kind. If I Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, media house was not sana no one kind of side. Napo said this while making the point that his comment on Ghana's first president Dr. Kwame Nkrumah has been misinterpreted. Also one kind of Ghana media house. Name an article from 3 News. Napo said we see can on 3 News for Trogo. Which will go come. You could the current issue, the current topic, the current audio. Napo the Ababonti team say one kind of you develop a story one after the other, including a 90-year-old teacher. During the time of Osage for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah time. No who into one who Kwame Nkrumah by. One of your Becca and she room. Here we are, a documentary audio. From the time of Kwame Nkrumah to Kwame Nkrumah there, so Dean and Ghana for Becca. Ghana for Becca here. You back with that audio. And then plus a graphic, 1965 graphic. A narrative what was going on during the time of Kwame. We are here to develop the story with Ghanaians, to learn things we know and things we don't know from the story of Lawyɛr Napo and Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Now, you story now make catch will say, Ahinsemu news. Eboba currently this week, and it says, oh, baby, akwadia, any akwambo afashe, as I say, ebuja, enye agrokra, ye, okofu, okatachie, nyako, eku, the 10th, the Manhyia of Aguna, Nyakrum, or no so did the Grand Derby Festival, and from a year the 3rd to a year the 10th, the Biabet Nyakoswa, Aguna Nyakrumwa, and Nyagro. The Derby is going to be grand for the 10th. A bit developed from the 3rd of August to a year the 10th of August. Now story needs to be a course. Come on. Aguna Nyakrum. On the 3rd to 10th. Ope baby ajiweni. Akusha mabre ni amani. Aguna Nyakrum. Aye. Eye okofu okatachie nyako eku the 10th. Also oton nsa frem. Obi amra hobi. And not there ni egbawura yesrem. Yebawura srem. Yebawura srem. Eye June and some day they be to me bawura mu e wo srem a se me no ka say on the 23rd of June. His Royal Majesty, Yamura, B Kunatu, Yahoo, Sawale, Wononso, it me bombarding Kosra, Indanjana, Yendi or Kosrano, said Womumi and Unsun Timishia, na entre between the dab one and Yabon for or don't want that a so I him for a when they met. I was so on. Na enye akro wo hwe eye wo mani matum say yes eniji enso atimi abo ewrem ewo eye esrem ehwe honom. And it was a good meeting because a calling for peace, unity, a show culture, a building relationship between Yabon and a Dagbon for two of them was so there. And the next on the 23rd of June, the Timi a peer free move His Royal Majesty Jabon Rabi Kunatu Yahoo Saule any a year His Royal Majesty in Diana as with Mishia Yendi. In summer a developer a free air show. And you say cow say some news. And so bako and so any the step or 2 forces say the target a step June dear yen another more than pa Yenra His Royal Majesty or 2 forces to the king himself or no so media all bo and so Emma a gun and you compare mu half one south we also so there next 2 for BB friend an AI center AI center no was in crying call build almost stem no they can stem no enye dua hini na make am wasemi otum for sin crying call build almost stem STEM that is the S na di kind no science T no technology ana any engineering ana M no stem no to no mathematics sin crying no omo call build almost stem no ewo AI center na wa build wo we also have one south omo ko suade na space bi added the hard man say advanced technology to the extent say akwa ne sha eno mo hu owi ase no wo wani gani ehu sa wi ase ne bi ni nyina say nkwa ne develop wo mo science no no be mpanipa enso ema Ghana so ahafo no south we no tumfo so akobie ewo wi oso ewo ahafo no south say nkwa no enkosua ade na bibia so entumi enye kama now developing the story and some bay ananapo enso kan ya say Abraham no kan say wo chim so wan kan sa na bo say I can only say that if the history of Ghana is told from 1957, we have never had a president that has helped Ghana more than a year Nana Akufo-Addo. I mean, from 1957, even including your Kwame Nkrumah. So Napo can say, or no dear from 1957, be anyhow. I don't know bet me say sinebo actually say one wabobra. Esi Nana Akufo-Addo aban. Na me enko tie Napo nsem osade ababeto abonten a charge Anokye Frimpong so much. Napo ensem osade abeto abonten, justifying himself. Say ensem no wanka no eyesa all right, so according to Napo, the current audio they ban say what can say a free 1957 from Kwame Nkrumah time. Aban bien who meaning or say on fa Kwame Nkrumah kan after Kwame Nkrumah no bien was a case calculated for maybe 1957. Bien who are wabon homo den esi e Akufo-Addo. So Napo say one disrespect Kwame Nkrumah me kwoti and someone Lawyɛr Anokye the buy am for chim say. Napo na be kan asem na say woni ne nya adwen kra no na unsem aka dey ano dey me enti.
Kwame Nkrumah yes to many no. But this is saying the so but he be our Ghana. Genesis Sante Hene of Foka, a banker, normal house of cheese meeting or her. When the National House of Cheese headquarters in the Bible Kumasi. Kumasi is one from Kwasa from one from Gwadu. Or see, I said, no, 2 for 3 while 2 deny no, you were 18 the best thing, National House of Cheese. When the headquarters, Ewa, Asante Mengo Kumasi. And so what the answer something in a so one not by killing. I mean for what kind in there so we shall see. Until the 70s, the man at the member the first. Everyone changing it. Kuntunkununku. And let them say Kuntunkununku. No become a year coup. No become a year in free home. Your friend is saying, something in the rotating. But beside him for this year, or maybe I didn't host.
All right, so now according to Lawyɛr Anokye Frimpong, say yentienwie nya bochepa. Or say the National House of Chiefs no Manhyia truly e Manhyia. Dem Kwame Nkrumah na dey call hodom because of ne do wo ma Asante Foti. But according to the history, the fact that I know, the time one no person we see the National House of Chiefs. Then time Asante no one can say or be aye obetimi da momo because they were looking for a good place to build it. O proposal ya mo hwe location near Kama, it was Kumasi. At that time so once he didn't work in just Kumasi was that time the most developed place in Ghana because now Santa Fe do home. Then time so the relationship between them and the British was so good to the extent that they were having portable roads and a whole lot of things. Developed Kumasi and Co. It won't send away good. It's here something no on one see the National Association. That is what I know. And you Kwame Nkrumah they propose and the there's something now they propose and the and two or say we say Nana Jima Bedu no wafa bako any do chihin in the far plans. Say mummy yenko G something in free because Kwame Nkrumah SCC only wa as something in any Ghana so but they were not in agreement with what Kwame Nkrumah said. And that promise Kwame Nkrumah they didn't fulfill it. Say only wa as something in any Ghana so when this abortion so. Now me and twas in
that time now Nkrumah the why to was something life president of National House of Chiefs. Sure, as something life president. And I said, Napo, we're giving ya. And Kodamu said, the whole world, the whole world, the Kwame Nkrumah said, or you're Africa's man of the millennium. You come millennium 1,000 years, the greatest African for 1,000 years now. Kwame Nkrumah. It is a no Nyansa. What to the sex lawyer.
You see, the matter keep graduating. But what the beauty, beauty.
So who 1+1? Then people say a prayer. Oh, cut 2, so cut 3. Because politics is not a cut. If your money young family not dreaming, not done it, a colaya would protect it. And yet, Tadia, because to friend if you would.
All right, so I was just saying the message church, you know, or we know the twice say, Napo. Umfra himfio. There was umfra himfio. Maintain the 7 seconds I can. What I say Napo free men she akra no enye or no fan ho. Who free men she enti dey. Enye ne hwe. Ne kwasia na wo ste no wo de man. Sebi. Na emom so free men she akra no a. Se Napo no wantimi to the extent say sebi nyam na make kan. O man 1+1 crop beka se 3. You heard it all. And these are some of the things that many are saying. Say they never expected such words to come from the mouth of Lawyɛr Anokye Frimpong. Now, it is not wrong for Lawyɛr Anokye to defend Dr. Kwame Nkrumah because Dr. Kwame Nkrumah have done a lot for Ghana. The positive side, as he defended, there were negative side. People were also showing all over the internet. And some of the things people were showing on the internet, you know, maybe a 1965 article. I said that time, no, so almost so graphic, you know, stories and the narrative, the life of some people who were not in agreement. Said the Lawyɛr Anokye is in agreement with Kwame Nkrumah, even one and graphic way and narrative what was really going on at that side until Mutu Kwame Nkrumah. Now, memorial story, I say 250,000 bees quits Ghana. And more brought 250,000. How? Now, me I say almost all the 250,000 bees imported into Ghana from the United Kingdom by the State Farm Corporation in 1965 has sworn away from Opoku farm. So, Okopiem Opoku farmer, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah so etimi bo modern in the Ghana sika koto mobro. Mako 250,000. Now, mobro no koto ane ba ye no. Yebusa ne say mobro no we here Ghana sika na ade koto mobro wa se no. E mobro no medwane. Di enti na to mobro no. Oto mobro no to mo meye wo. Emma Ghana koto free ebu oni kromo na emobro ni bedru. This is 1965 graphic details and I will be my misaka document when I'm there better so you came. So the negative side of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, people who were not in agreement with they were arguing and they were throwing all these things on the internet. So, hey, Kwame Nkrumah on the can Ghana sika koto mobro and no crying can once and not that. There was a documentary also that was leaking all over the internet. People were questioning. Say, now you too, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. What were Ghanaians saying? Were they happy about it? Oh, they were not happy. Say to Kwame Nkrumah because according to Yaya Time Media, all what we know about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is a beautiful story of a great man who changed the destiny of Ghana positively. Me and the Ghana for the can and Sunday how the 90-year-old teacher. I will not witness Kwame Nkrumah government. You also make a documentary after Kwame Nkrumah, ye chino the Ghana for no more.
Nkrumah's political prisoners. What did you have mainly against Kwame Nkrumah?
Because he has taken our money away, over 195 million pounds away, and we are not broke.
Oh,
we are fed up with you. Yes.
What is the lady waiting?
So she was Tammy Sika. That time we know almost over 150, 120 million pounds. A free crew. We didn't maintain that. Sorry, baby.
Well, it's waiting. It's happy.
It's happy.
Listen to what I said before. It's very, very happy.
Are you happy too?
I'm not very happy. Look, if my brother is in the graveyard now. I'm waiting for my brother.
Yeah.
Yes.
How long has he been detained?
About 3 years or 5 years. 5 years. 5 years.
What was he detained for?
I don't know what my brother has done. What he has done.
All right. So according to this documentary, as I said, it involving a details, a picture of the time of Kwame Nkrumah, the negative side of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. One with me tam Ghana sika koto mobro. And a mobro no koto ibusan so de so de be a war ama Ghana for na waton se din obeto mobro. Na mobro what Ghana bi ni. Well, we don't know what was going on though, but the Ghanaians, the majority of them were not in agreement with whatever the Osajefo was doing to the extent so Mutu na some of the Ghanaians were so excited. Me too, I was not in agreement, because I know that Kwame Nkrumah is a very good person. So dear man for Ken. So I did further to get an audio of an old man, a 90-year-old man, or also HMU Jonusu because ono the Otiase, and he's a witness to Noma Esiye during that time. And he was a teacher. And say men okay. Is it true? Said Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was a dictator. Yenti the end and so editor a
Kwame Nkrumah yenti no huni. Ni mu nsɛm te sɛ
no na me school master every 1960 see 1965 65 65 64 64 academic year master.
When you kakra nti na buso ya na bibo ha anofo no mo fan chen 90 years plus old man niti
Kumasi mfie no enna medi gaatoa ekɔbu nkotodwe ɛwɔ salvation for so wɔ ade nkran kɔka asa mesrɛ wɔ yɛnyi me na me nkɔkura ase ebi sɛ na detention no sɛ na na esi pempem mekɔ metona no no na nim sɛ bɛkyɛ me akɔ
anadija wɔ so ne ha mo sa.
sɛ Kwame Nkrumah abrɛ so sɛ de mmeranteɛ mmienu baako yɛ CPPD na baako yɛ wɔnyɛ CPPD na wɔne ɔbaa wokɔfo guguo ne CPPD ahyia ɔbaa baako ho a wowɔ hɔ a ne afa akɔka kyerɛ sɛ aberanteɛ wɔ ese wɔpɛ sɛ wɔyɛ kuu wɔpɛ sɛ wɔtwi aban
Ɔtɔtɔtɔ so.
eti na the CPP for no say omo guess the okọ ho dey actually yenya ko ka che Kwame Nkrumah say akwa bi be fa CPP ni ba na say akwa wonye CPPD but wabɛka ntorato so kwa na we have to listen to the CPP person because no na work Kwame Nkrumah side e dey na man for guess dey untimi nko CPP for ma ho ase won yitie
yaba abɛkyew de wokɔ detention yɛbisa afei ɛno ase abɛfɛ ɔde kɔ nsoa mu mesɛ wobɛbɔ man na mne wɔ young pioneer ɛwɔ me school mu salvation hɔ na yɛde me ho asɛm akɔ sɛ mɛse me mma yɛmpi young pioneer nanso menka saa nti mewɔ hɔ a deɛ mehu yɛa ne sɛ Mama, young penny the penny sacco, kuma, ɛne mpanyinfo a ɛkeka ho no me sukuu mu prɛko ɛyɛ me mama paa
Da a wotu Kwame Nkrumah no na sukuufoɔ nkwadaa ne akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no na mo nso how bɛ na mo nyaeɛ.
yɛtu adeɛ no ɔse bɔɔyɛ ɛbaayɛ no meka sɛ mekora.
there's the documentary audio need you know I said well was boy by you know too Kwame Nkrumah there. So people are saying say Kwame Nkrumah was a dictator and I have never agreed with it up to now. I'm still struggling to believe it, but this is an old man who witnessed the government and Jayan and animal money here me who be the omotroma ebe kind near kind. So a dear pa na na ekosuntia no my issue papa fa Kwame Nkrumah ho nyina people were happy when he was dethroned. Yi na there so if it was so good, then why were they so excited? See, you took Kwame Nkrumah there. So, minty.
Me wa na me yɛ master saa abirɛ so anɔpɛtutuutu na me twɛn kɔ fie na me yɛ afufuo ɛwɔ japan titwɛɛ no na nti na me yɛ adeɛ me wɔ hɔ a ne yɛbɛka kyerɛ me mmafuom sɛ yɛtu Kwame Nkrumah yɛkaayɛ no maa nye yɛ ne nti meka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ gye sɛ metie firi me wireless so afei me bɛ a me baeɛ me firi ewu adeɛ yi ɛbɛ fie no mete CD kwasia bi tiri da so CD kwasia bi tiri da so na mmaa no to nnwom kɔ ɛba so ɔno na mbu sɛ yɛ nokorɛ nti na kuma ade asesa ne yɛti mu no na yɛsuro kyerɛ sɛ CPP ne deɛ wonya no adeɛ wonya wo a wɔde wɔbɛkɔ nti saa mesɛ deɛ memekae no sɛ saa berɛ no nea mekaeɛ ne sɛ yɛne a yɛhunu Kwame Nkrumah na mamuɔ no na wane wɔyɛ nanso nneɛma ɛkɔɔyɛ meka sɛ Kwame Nkrumah amamuo sɛ adeɛ yi yɛte ase a saa nkurɔfoɔ no ebiaa ntumi mba aba nso Kwame Nkrumah CPP no ntumi mba mɛfa ɔman yi da disi ewu kɔ anso.
And then I said, and I would have bought Kwame Nkrumah CPP for Diana. As well as so this is a picture of what we were not able to witness because we were not there. But upon all the good things Ghanaians are saying about Kwame Nkrumah, these are the negative aspects and people are drawing all over the internet because of a viral comment he made on Kwame Nkrumah. And I saw this documentary picture circulating. Said you took Kwame Nkrumah there, so people were saying something like the press is now free. So during the time of Kwame Nkrumah, no, say we a radio station, we a DNA station. Nasa even time can on my palm for CPP. It is difficult for you to come out. Like media personnel said, no man, they didn't deem it is a Captain Smart money. They actually and according to the documentary audio we listened before the old man, no. Na nkofo bi confirm we say ono kra ni nia actually 3 years ni because of so na no koto politics nsemu unhu ba bia ni nia no ye den ewo na kokora no ono nso oda so tia se nyame adom hu ye nso confirm the same thing said those things were really real. He was a dictator, but no can say he was a very good man. Kwame Nkrumah was good in terms of the development in Ghana, and some are saying say Kwame Nkrumah inherited a country where there was no debt na kabi anyhow, and sika British for the Ghana no, it was so massive. And then no be grand and na what to talk mobro ni adiadi. But we had the successive government about MPP ni NDC na. Omo nyina be inherited debt a car eda ho. And so metimi abo mo modian e kakro betimi idea. Then ebi no agree say the Napo kan no somehow no enye, but we cannot compare Kwame Nkrumah's government to the successive government MPP ni NDC omo beto ka so omo abo mo mode omo na be before. These are some of the narratives and come amount for account internet. Though I particularly do not know which side to choose because maybe the means I've read a lot of beautiful things about Kwame Nkrumah, but wo the air no and say we are not speaking in any some our can on fa on Napo Frimenshio we Jimmy for and also audience was. These are some of the rising matters Boba Napo to say in some no one can say the 90 years old man also no witness say Kwame Nkrumah government and also some do not forget to share this video. We did me no be cry you better share on our next video.
Nwa keni an bebre no ani medada ne won komo kitua bi ho hia me pa saa na me hwe so se ho behia won so ensem tia wa bi pe ntima me wia wo mre kakra bi de edi kan eda obi ase a waso ye h0t Ghana mu a waso me mu especially on a TikTok me adom wan kasa onwane odonti yene na over 100,000 that is 10% of 1 million people even e bi say gusompo ana e follow yen ana mu di echi e wo ye TikTok saa wodo ye anso na mu yi kire me e wo ye Facebook na de me pese mu hunu ni aresrede e ho won faso ene say afei ne maybe a YouTube account monopa the content wo mu kura ndru bia afei ne de ba there are a lot of beautiful packages and they break Ghana for ma muni media muni say de misi emadwuma enu nti nsi me form oni gi video bia me de bia enu nti mesre wade ba ko pese ye tie abusua foforo wa hai YouTube hai ma remfi say be subscribe channel we ama me an muni say de misi emadwuma video ne sofo ma obi ani gi ho we ya abusua ko foforo a ye ti ne YouTube hai nti no channel ya abofra afei na wo nyini mesre wo say be ka me ho ne nyini hade ne nso nka ho say de maboa ama and the TikTok the winning part do be almost 10% of over 1 million people they follow your TikTok amanam saa so eye bi kire me e wo ye Facebook no subscribe channel we so mami emum de hia ne say o subscribe wi a e ma wo mfi say adoma na that subscription in China what they won sabe boso no what choose all when you say details na the credit nyina hwehwe na e de abramo ebie mu so ha YouTube haye say na bia obedi kan na won sa ka video bia me de be bia nti esa sere obi o say o subscribe wi a e ma wo mfi say what won sabe bo adoma na that subscription in China no what choose all no ye nyina busua we brade be kam ho ne nyini we so enka ne ya dada no within the ken the catch content I dey be go YouTube ha no am dancing the munim dada no afi na afi ye bebe wrade mu odro ne ye sure so wonim se me de meye ma ko hwe no kura no afi tifini apiwe ni anafo abro odra me wo ma wonti munya ken ni subscribe sponsor bo adoma so choose all afi share video yi e mani padodo bebre na won so nya bi hwe ni mu se manu asi we de can subscribe brother e de won sa bo adoma no so e choose all no within the ken no e dey gra e be say share on our next video.
K1, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, no news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, we are so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also, the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And maybe I will strength free a bit. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one more can one will try pa.